Hello, my beautiful YouTube friends. This is Letty with Living Life with Letty, and it is countdown time. I am going to be hitting the road tomorrow, and so I'm doing my last bit of packing, and I want to show you everything that I am taking with me. So please stay with me so that you can see everything that I'm going to be taking. Also, if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will stay and watch, and please hit subscribe if you're inclined to do so, and hit like, share, and leave a comment. So let's get going. Let's see what I have been able to pack. Okay, so here is everything that I'm going to be taking. And in this pile, I did find a net that I'm going to see if I can use in the van, hang it up somewhere. I guess it came with the van. I don't know. I didn't even know that I had it. In this pile here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sweaters because it may be cold where I'm going. And then I have my underwear. I have 6 pairs of underwear. And I have 6 pairs of socks. They're there. Here I have 3 pairs of long pants, winter pants. Actually 4 pairs, because I have a pair of jeans, pair of leggings, 2 pairs of regular elastic waist, because I have to wear elastic waist. I have a hard time zipping things up. In this pile, I have 4 pairs of shorter pants, you know, that come below the knee. I forget what they're called right now. This is that top that I have bought to keep you cool. I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I'm going to take it anyway. And then I have some short sleeve blouses there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have a pair of real warm flannel pajamas, because I don't know if it's going to be cold at night where I'm going. And then this is my bag that I'm going to put it in. It's a Vera Bradley. I love her. I have a couple of her pieces. Her stuff lasts forever. I don't know her, and this is not, you know, I'm not advertising for her. I'm just saying that I've had this thing probably for about 5, 6 years. I use it all the time, and it's wonderful. So this is what I'm taking. Of course, I'm taking some shoes. I am going to take a hat. I thought I had one. I've been looking for my hat, but I can't find it. You know, like a knit hat for at night in case it's cold. And if it is cold, I'll just have to stop at Walmart or somewhere and get one, and also get some wool socks, because the socks that I have are just footsies. I don't think they're going to be very warm. But this is the clothes that I'm taking. That's it. When they get dirty, I have to go to the laundromat. No big deal. I don't want to take a lot of things. I want to travel light. Everything has to fit in this little suitcase, and it will. So that's it for now. And there it is. Everything that was on the bed, it's nicely tucked in there. So that is over a week's worth of clothes, which is, you know, and it's cold and hot weather clothes. So I will be okay in that department. So there it is. And it doesn't really weigh that much, and it'd be a lot easier for me to be able to pick that up from the bottom of the bed and put it on the bed, so that I can go through it and see what I'm going to wear and that kind of stuff, rather than a bin. I think the bin would be a little harder for me to maneuver. So there it is. And then I'm going to have another tote, a lot smaller than this one, for all my toiletries and hygiene stuff. And then I have the little one that's like a little lunch box that I bought to put all my vitamins and supplements and that thing, because it's insulated. And that's it. Travel light. Okay, so in this pillowcase, as you can see, the pillowcase is really 2 winter coats. One of them is a down jacket, and the other one is just a fleece jacket. And I'm taking them because I'm going up north, and I don't know how cold it's going to be. In this one, I have all of my supplements, vitamins, minerals. There are 2 prescription in there, and someday I'm going to do a video on all the things that I take. And of course, you already saw this. This is where all my clothes are. So this is what I'm taking. The rest is a mess. I do have some electronic things that I am going to be putting in. And I'm sorry that my room is such a mess, but you know, I am packing. There's another jacket that I may be taking. Hold on, sorry about that. In this purse. Okay. So this purse, which is also another Vera Bradley purse, is big enough where that's where I'm taking all my electronics, my iPad, my laptop, my iPhone, my selfie stick, my all the things that I need to continue to create the videos. Everything is just going to go into that purse. So as you see, this is all that I'm taking. The only thing that I don't have here is another pair of shoes. I'm taking 2 pairs of shoes in case something happens to one. And I'm also taking a small gym bag, which it's already up in the van. And it's just a little bag where I have a towel and all my hygiene stuff. That way, if I go to the gym, I'll have it all. But this is it. This is all, and this is all that I need. In the van, I already have all the kitchen stuff, which is my stove. I have plates. I have salt and pepper and garlic salt. And I have some utensils, and that's all in the bin down below. And I still have 2 bins that are empty, which I'm sure that I'm going to be filling them up as time goes by, but I'm going to do that as I'm on the road, and as I need things, then I guess I'll have to stop and get them. But for now, this is all there is.